Perfect for lots of handy little jobs around the workshop or the house. Today I'm setting up the Lumberjack rotary tool. This thing's ideal for sanding, cutting, polishing and engraving. In this quick video I'm going to show you how to get it up and running, fit all the different accessories and how to use the flexi shaft. Let's get into it. It's got a 170 watt motor, adjustable speed from 8,000 to 35,000 RPM. And it comes with a great selection of accessories, 120 in total. To make it even better, the tool even comes with this compact storage case with space for the tool and the accessories. You get everything from sanding drums to polishing pads and cutting wheels, plus a flexi shaft and a little LED light that you can clip onto the tool. First up, to fit an accessory, hold down the locking button on the top and loosen the collet nut by turning it anti-clockwise. Make sure you pick the right collet size for your accessory. This tool comes with 4 size options. Drop your accessory onto the collet, tighten the nut by hand, and if you need to, you can snug it up slightly with this spanner that's included. Don't go wild though, there's no need to over tighten this. Then once you've done that, you're ready to go. You've got loads of accessories and uses for this tool: drilling, sanding, cutting, engraving, polishing, grinding and much more. And what's great about it is it can often do stuff that your main tools can't manage. A big orbital sander can't sand small curved edges or get into tight spaces like this can. If you're using the flexi shaft, unscrew this front ring, back off the ring nut and insert the drive cable into the collet. Tighten it up like before, screw the flexi shaft onto the body of the tool and then you're sorted. You can then fit your accessories onto the end. This is perfect for more intricate work like engraving because you can use it just like a pen. When you switch it on, always make sure the accessory is clear of your workspace. Adjust your speed using the dial at the back. Start low and increase dependent on the job. Lower speeds are good for polishing, whilst cutting or engraving wants a higher setting. You've also got a little flexi light attachment here. It runs on button batteries and it slides into the slot at the back. Nice for a bit of extra light if you're working in a tight or shaded spot. Quick little safety check as always. Make sure you wear your eye protection, a dust mask where appropriate, and make sure you keep your hands well clear of the spinning part. When you turn the machine off, just make sure the tool stops spinning before putting it down. And that's just a quick little starter guide for the Lumberjack Rotary Multi-Tool. If you're just getting started with one of these, or you're interested in picking one up, if you've got any questions, leave them down below in the comments. To grab one of these for yourself, check out the link in the description box. If you want to see more of my videos, head over to the Renovation Dan channel. If you found this video useful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you've got any questions, leave them down in the comments below and make sure you subscribe to the Lumberjack YouTube channel for more helpful tool guides.